Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Hello Neighbor Diablo Circus. Sorry about that. I'm eating piatos. Secret Neighbor or Hello Neighbor either. I'll pick the Secret Neighbor and the Red Jacket Nick. About this game, you can change your name, and this is the jump button. Pick any modes, and there's a timer, and play with other players, and become the neighbor. Yeah. So about this, said go back to menu. Oh no, oh no. Play again because I got lost in the menu. This is a new update in the Fredbear mod. Uh, this uh, this decoy. Uh, uh, no, I don't even need that decoy. Oh, and the, eh, and eh, eh, oh, look, it's hammering. Oh no, the neighbor. I wonder who the neighbor is. I got captured. Ah, ah. Oh great, this is Mama Dayan's clothes. Oh look, where did it go? There's nothing to do around here. Where are you going? I wonder. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who? Oh, the Hello Neighbor phone call. Save that. Throw it away. This is a secret room bunker. Oh no, we're stuck. Oh, we're not. Really, bro? I might have to. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's get got now too close to the neighbor. Yeah. Oh, you don't need it. We already unlocked that. Hmm? Uh. Hey, ah! Whoa. Ah! You know, you almost got me. It's Goku. It's Goku and Hello Neighbor. Or am I dreaming? Wow. Ah! That's right. That's right. Oh, so, so, slow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, no, no, no. Hey, you dummy. Ah. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Too bad we couldn't unlock Red Bear One, but we got 1,000 coins. Yeah.